everyone. Before I introduce myself, I want to start with a question. Have you ever been told who you are or who you should be or wherever you should go before you even figure it out yourself? Imagine growing up and being told that you are going to remain last or that you're categorized by one name, always going to be considered at the end because of an alphabetical order, which, by the way, you did not have a say in it. Hi everyone, my name is Vanshika and I'm 24 years old and I've somehow managed to be a board of director at Foxhawk Ventures Incorporation. It is a US-based VC firm and I was recently appointed. Honestly, it's a bit crazy even for me. I did not have a single clue that I'm going to be standing here and I'm going to be delivering this speech. And if it's any consolation, I sometimes do forget where am I going. But that does not mean that I'm simply going with the flow. I believe that only dead fishes go with the flow. About that, I'm certain of one thing. I might not know where I am or where I'm going, but I do know how I want to go there. And that is quite simple. I have this one theory. I believe so highly of myself. And this theory is actually based on a perception, self-worth theory of motivation. So basically, an individual has a tendency to speak or to protect their sense of self-worth with such high values that they do not listen or they do not define themselves or limit themselves by somebody else's belief. एंड दैट इज क्वाइट सिंपल. आप अपने आप के बारे में इतना हाईली सोचो कि कौन आपके बारे में क्या सोचता है उसका कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है. लाइक आई सेड, जब मैंने शुरू में बताया था दैट यू आर बीइंग टोल्ड बाय एन अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर कि आप कहाँ स्टैंड करोगे. अ मैथ्स टीचर वंस टोल्ड मी इन माय 11th स्टैंडर्ड दैट माय नेम इज वंशिका एंड आई एम ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी रिमेनिंग लास्ट. या तो मैं लास्ट ही आऊँगी या तो मैं लास्ट में ही रह जाऊँगी. एंड दैट डे आई डिसाइडेड वन थिंग, लास्ट नहीं आना है. कुछ भी करना है लेकिन लास्ट नहीं रहना है. कुछ भी करना है लेकिन मीडियोकर नहीं रहना है. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी स्टक वेयर आई एम. सो मैं रेस में लग गई. आई स्टार्टेड कंट्रोलिंग थिंग्स, आई स्टार्टेड ग्रैबिंग थिंग्स, आई स्टार्टेड स्ट्रैटेजाइजिंग. बट आई लर्न द हार्ड वे दैट आई कैन नॉट कंट्रोल, स्ट्रैटेजाइज और ग्रिप. Because honestly, I can't even control my sleep schedule. How can I control my life? But then I realized one thing. There is an art of letting go. If you actually let go and if you actually stop stressing about the outcomes improve. It's basically like whenever you are thinking that what you want, instead of thinking what you want or where you want to be, if you pause for a minute and if you start focusing on the journey, if you start focusing on the fact that how you want to get there, you get there easily. And I'll be honest, once you do that, the universe starts awarding you in ways you cannot even fathom. I am the living and breathing proof of that. If universe fails to award you, let's say there is a possibility that universe doesn't give you what you exactly want. You need to build in 3 things: drive, delusion, and audacity. Have the absolute drive to do everything. Be delusional, be crazy, think aloud, and have the audacity to say out loud, मैं कर लूँगी. I know कि मैं कर लूँगी. I'll tell you a little anecdote when I was told कि मैं board of director बन रही हूँ. So Foxhawk CEO calls me up and he tells me that I'm going to be the youngest board of director. And just like any other individual, I went straight to Google and I searched youngest board of director in India. It said 31 and my mind went blank. For a minute I sat there and I thought कि 1 महीने पहले तक I was helping my client get his lost wallet and now I'm a board of director. Things changed so quickly and I did not have a say in it. फिर मुझे लगा कि शायद मैं ready नहीं हूँ. People around started telling me that maybe you should wait. You're very young. क्या पता कॉशियस रहना चाहिए, क्या पता भागना चाहिए या नहीं भागना चाहिए, और अगर अभी से इतनी जल्दी चीज़ें ले लेगी तो क्या पता आगे चल के चीज़ें वैसी ना हो. फिर मैं रुक गई. 1 सेकंड के लिए फिर से सोचा कि जाना चाहिए, करना चाहिए, हाँ बोलना चाहिए. एंड देन आई थॉट कि बोल देना चाहिए. लेट्स टेक अ लीप ऑफ फेथ एंड लेट्स से यस. एंड आई डिड से यस. देन आई वेंट टू हिम एंड आई टोल्ड हिम दैट यस आई एम गोइंग टू गो विद दिस. एंड आई वाज रियली हैप्पी अबाउट द फैक्ट दैट ही वाज वेरी एनकरेजिंग. And I'll be honest, people around me still have a problem digesting the fact that I'm young and I'm achieving all of this. They still tell me that you are very young. How can you be a board of director? And I think of 3 things. Number 1, being young does not mean कि आप कर नहीं सकते. Being young means कि आप बहुत चीज़ों में young होगे. Being young means कि आप बहुत चीज़ों में first होगे. People underestimate you. And that acts as a fuel to the motivation. That acts as a fuel कि आप कुछ भी कर लोगे. Because you need to prove them कि आप कर सकते हो. And number 3 and the most important thing, क्योंकि आपके पास कम उम्र है तो आप बहुत सारी चीज़ें बहुत young age में कर सकते हो. Coming to the point where I am today. TEDx में आने से पहले when I was told that this theme is the next chapter, I paused for a minute and I thought ki, am I actually in my next chapter? Am I actually going to be standing here and telling people कि ये मेरा next chapter है, I begin the new story? Or am I rewriting the entire book from the scratch? And I thought, शायद मैं नई किताब लिख रही हूँ, जिसका नए सिरे से शुरुआत हो रही है, जिसका टाइटल ये नहीं होगा कि मुझे क्या बनना चाहिए था, जिसका टाइटल ये होगा कि मैं आज क्या हूँ. And I'll be very honest, I do get scared of sometimes. I do get scared of the fact that शायद मुझे चीज़ें फिर से वापस करनी पड़ेंगी, शायद मैं फेल हो जाऊँगी. But that's the beauty of it. When you're not attached to the outcomes, when you know that you can improve, there is a very high possibility that you know and you have that faith in yourself that you're going to do it either way. कोई आपसे बैठ के नहीं पूछ रहा है कि आप यहाँ तक कैसे पूछे. Nobody cares. People only care about the result. Result matter करता है. And I'd like to quote Niccolo Machiavelli here, ends justify the means. As long as you reach at the end, nobody cares how you reach there. Nobody cares how tired you are. Nobody cares how much baggage you have to hold on to. Because let's be honest, थक तो हम सब जाते हैं. जब रात में हम घर जाते हैं तो हम ज़रूर सोचते हैं कि शिट यार बहुत टायर्ड थे. But then there is also one fact. आज का डे बहुत प्रोडक्टिव था. I did a lot of things. And what a privilege to be tired by things that you actually love doing. What a privilege to be tired by things when you know that you've been productive the entire day. And other than that, this doesn't mean that this should be it. This doesn't mean कि life यहीं end हो गई है. This doesn't mean कि मैं सिर्फ board of director बन के मेरी life पे full stop लग गया है. This simply means that this isn't it. Curious रहना life में बहुत important है. Curiosity never killed the cat. Lack of hunger did. And you need to be hungry for more in your life. So I'd like to advise people, whoever are listening, curious रहो, कम में satisfy बिल्कुल मत हो. When people are telling you be satisfied with good enough is never good enough. Good enough is something you tell your barber when he cuts your hair wrong. It's never good enough. Learn to tell people, मैं कर लूँगी. And if you're privileged enough, if you have people, the people that I have around me, you'll be thankful for the fact that they are telling you कि आप कर लोगे. They trust you. And as long as we are ready with that message, cheers to all of you, Godspeed to all of you, and I hope to see one of you on this stage one day. Thank you so much.